Kung meron kang monkey sa iyong chart, this year is all about travel, learning, and transformation. But at the same time, requires no balancing yung iyong emotion. Pero bago natin i-discuss all the auxiliary stars ng ating monkey, please do not forget, meron po kayong apat na animals, no? Meron kayong year, day, month, and then the hour. Para malaman niyo po yung 4 animals na meron kayo, you can access my calculator for free, sophiapachicalculator.com. Ayan, register for free. Ipasok lang yung mga details, yung birthday and then yung birth hour, no? Para ma-plot niya yung chart with all your free animals. Ayan. Now, going to our first auxiliary star for the monkey is Sky Horse. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Traveling. Okay, traveling, relocating to a new home, to a new country, o kaya naman, relocating wherein magkakaroon kayo ng mga clients from abroad, no? Mga orders from abroad, pwede rin yan. Nice, amazing opportunity ang meron ang monkey for 2026. Next naman, which is one of my favorite auxiliary star because I always study about forms, learn a lot of information because I always want to be the best. And that is intelligent or scholar star. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, this is a year where you get to expand further yung iyong skill sets. Ang mga kaalaman mo makes you extra special because there is something that you know that others don't know. So if you have an opportunity to study something new, to level up your career or your skill set, please take this opportunity, no? Kasi at this time and age, lalong-lalo na kung may AI, kailangan talagang nagle-level up tayo sa mga kaalaman natin, no? Para yung personal value natin, nag-i-increase din siya. Okay, but before we dive into the rest of the auxiliary stars, please do not forget to download your free ebook, Prosper 2026, no? This is a free ebook that you can download that talks about yung day master mo, yung mga animals, yung feng shui mo, ano mga iiwasan mo mga sector, even dates. Malapit nang dumating yung date na yun, so i-download nyo na yan, no? And on top of that, meron po kayong access invitation sa aking Prosper events sa January 31, 2026. So ayan, download no dahil itong Prosper event ko po nangyayari annually and to give you an economic forecast kung anong mangyayari sa 2026. So magkakaroon na tayo ng heads up, no? Para hindi po tayo nagpapanik sa parating na very volatile year, which is 2026. Ayan, going back to the auxiliary stars na meron ang monkey, which is separating edge. What? Ano ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin may paalis, no? May paalis. Magre-resign, baka ikaw to, no? Kasi magre-relocate ka. O kaya naman pwede ito ay kung hindi po tayo careful at nagpa-practice ng ating diplomacy sa mga kausap natin, this could lead to separation, no? Separation through misunderstanding, pag-aaway, so magkakaroon ng hiwalayan. Ayaw natin yan. So be careful po sa mga actions natin and the words we say to avoid offending others. Mas tatanggapin pa natin, no, na nag-relocate sila o kung na nag-relocate ka, ayun, oh, nice. Next naman is solitary. This is all about you feeling isolated. You feeling na para mag-isa ka lang. Kasi ang ginagawa, most of the time, no, there are a lot of people who are like this who refuse to ask for help. And don't do that. Because asking for help, no, is one way to bridge and shorten yung process of solving problems. No? Ang asking for help is admittance na hindi mo talaga kaya to, pero at the same time, ayaw mo mag-give up. Shouldn't see seeking for help as a means of judgment. No? This actually is a means of showing strength kasi hindi ka basta-basta mag-give up and gusto ko ng tulong kasi hindi ko alam paano to gawin. No? So, admitting that you can't do everything, you can't know everything is the easiest way ma-resolve itong solitary. Seek help. Huwag ka mag-solo-solo kasi in order for us to shorten, no, to where we want to be, it's not money. It's people helping you, helping you reach your goal. Solohin yung problema mo, no? The next auxiliary star na meron po ang monkey is funeral door and earth funeral. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin po nito, kapag hindi po tayo nag-aalaga, nagbabantay ng mga kalusugan ng ating kapamilya, pwede silang lumala, no? Pwedeng lumala ang mga issues nila that could lead to the worst case. And ayaw po natin gawin ito, kaya nga we become proactive. Ang only way po para masolusyonan ang any health issue is being proactive. Kasi nga, di ba, prevention is not only better, it's cheaper. So kapag may iniinda yung kamag-anak mo, dito masakit ganyan, pa-check up mo na, di ba? Huwag mo nang patagalin kasi parang sinasabi mo iniipon mo yung gastos na gagastusan mo 'no, kapag iniinda mo at hindi mo pinapagamot kaagad. So 2026 for the monkey is all about growth, evolution, travel, and it's not about chaos. But at the same time, understanding that you have to take time to heal, no, to recover and focus on health. No? Even the emotional moment, the ups and downs, processing and taking time to process the emotions that you feel is crucial sa growth mo sa 2026. Now, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe. Feel free to visit my website, sophiapatsicalculator.com and sophiarelosa.com to get your free ebook. Ayan. Thank you. So, see you in my next video, which is in the rooster.